I'm in Singapore. Dito ako ngayon sa Changi International Airport and I'm heading to my hotel now. Ito dala kong gamit ngayon, big luggage, medium size I guess, and then shoulder bag. I don't have much time left kasi first day and I should get going na to finalize my booking. So bukas na tutuloy ng vlog and I will be going right now.
Good morning, Singapore. Kagigising ko lang and ikilos na ako at kukunin ko ng free breakfast. It will go about in an hour, so maliligo na ako and we'll go from there. Breakfast.
Okay, so breakfast is done. Punta na tayo sa Merlion Park. Let's get it. POV in Singapore. Ayan, we're in Chinatown. Stop ko muna ng video para hindi ako maligaw and okay, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Chinatown MRT subway. And papunta tayo ng downtown subway. So dito sa subway it's very busy and you can see that there's not a lot of people, pero more tourists kasi marami rin baggages na you can see around. But yeah, pupunta na ako sa train station ko and I'll go to Merlion statue. Let's go. Subway. Sa tren na tayo. Chinatown station going to downtown. Okay, walk trip. Super excited to see it in real life. Here we go. Saan tayo tatawid? Oh my gosh, ang init. Let's walk right here. Hitachi. Hitachi. Where is it? What? Oh, sa kabila. Riverwalk. Singapore Riverwalk. Ganda ng view. Merlion statue. I made it. Singapore. Merlion statue. Is this for real?
Is this for real?
Di pa rin mapaniwala. Nandito. I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. Di ako makaalis. Uhaw na rin ako. No pun intended. First day pa lang to First day. Marami pa tayo pupuntahan. Once again, this is the Merlion statue. Likod ng Merlion. Punta tayo dun sa may bridge. Pang picture taking din dun. Sorry. There's so many tourists. There we go. Singapore. Quick selfie. I'll post the video right here and continue ko ulit ang video later. Bye! Singapore Flyer. Quick recap lang. Naglakad ako galing dun sa bridge side ng Merlion Park, Merlion statue. It was amazing. Ayun, nakapagod ulit maglakad but it's all worth it kasi ngayon itatry ko na ang Singapore Flyer, but currently I think yung weather it's like very dark now, pero sana hindi umulan, sana hindi bumuhos at yan, update ulit later. Okay, papunta na tayong Helix Bridge. Yung weather ang gloomy. Luckily, tapos na ako sa kabilang side, which is yung Merlion statue. So, ngayon, dito na tayo sa daan. I'm super hungry. Nakain na muna ako. Peace. Alright. Dito tayo ngayon sa Apple Store. Floating Apple Store in Singapore. And it's fully glass naman. Pabilog siya. Parang globe-like yung shape and maganda yung view. Hello. Anyway, ang next stop ko is pabalik ako sa Helix Bridge. Gagawin ko na yung Singapore Flyer. And I think that should end my day for now sa day 1 kasi nakakapagod din. Yan lang. Okay, nakabili na tayo ng ticket para sa Singapore Flyer and sa time capsule. So bundle yon and let's go ahead na. Hello sir. Can I start with the flyer?
No, you have to start with the time capsule first.
Time capsule first.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a bundle.
Until what time is the time capsule?
Time capsule, there's no time.
No time.
Feel free to walk around.
But until what time closes?
9:30.
9:30. Okay. Thank you. Update time capsule muna. Step into the Singapore story. Time capsule.
To introduce myself, I'm R65.
Oh yes.
Journey of the city-state is ever unfolding. The creation of dreams come true. There's no time to lose.
Possibility. Ganda. Singapore Flyer na. Thanks, ma'am. 30 minutes for one rotation.
Păi nu, dar are aici și dincolo ce șine. Adrian. Aici, uite, te-ai prins să-i șină. Știu. Uite, nu o lua. Acum am ieșit la stația de poza la
Hello. It's the second day of my Singapore trip, Singapore adventure. And nandito ako ngayon sa Sentosa Express, sa train. Papunta muna ako sa aking first destination and mamaya nyo makikita. Dito na tayo. First stop, Madame Tussauds. So let's go in. Okay, India, I see you. I see you, India. What the hell? Spirit of Singapore. Yes. Should I show my ticket or no need? Okay, thank you. Sit. unite ang mga legends, mga heroes, all in one place. Also the Queen. Tapos na ang tour. So after nung clip na yon, mostly wax figures na lang yun, and nag-picture taking na lang ako for myself. Post, gano'n. Right now, I'm thinking to eat. Kain muna ako, maybe sa fast food chain lang. Dito na ako sa Universal Studios Singapore. At sa likod ko yung globe ng Universal Studios. My next trip would be the Adventure Cove Water Park. So, napainintay natin. Clarifications lang, hindi ako sa Adventure Cove Water Park, kundi sa Sea Aquarium. Yan, Sea Aquarium. And papasok na ako, so let's go ahead. This is so surreal. Damn. Holy! We're in the ocean, literally. This is the most amazing view in my entire life. Hey, good morning Singapore. It's a lovely day. Ngayon, nandito ulit ako sa Sentosa Island. Mag-cruise ship naman ako. Tatry ko kung may spots left pa. And, ayun, recap lang. Katatapos ko lang kahapon sa Sea Aquarium. As you'd all see, my adventure there. Ang tagal ko doon. Like, I spent my whole afternoon there. And then, the morning sa Madame Tussauds naman, yung wax museum. So, try ko lilibutin pa mamaya ang whole island. After ko naman sa cruise ship, sana matuloy ako doon. After ko doon, bus tour naman, the whole island. Anyway, punta na ako doon. See you.
Meanwhile,
Update. Unfortunately, sarado yung cruise ship. So, since nandito na rin ako, try ko yung sa may speedboat kasi same lang din naman yun, pero mas konti lang yung passengers. So, doon na yung next destination ko. At sasakay na ako ngayon sa bus. Dito na tayo sa bus papuntang Sentosa Cove. Right now, lalakad ako sa beach. Beach side. Kita ba? Beach. Kakain nga muna ako ng lunch. After nun, bus papuntang speedboat. Alright. For the main event, speedboat. Magku-cruise tayo.
Yeah.
Let's go! Woo!
That is the building of Batam City, Indonesia. And here this ferry boat came from heading to harbor front. So that is the route every day, every hour, and it takes 1 hour and 20 minutes for you.
Grabe, napaka-solid! The best! Speedboat, everyone. Right now, nasa Fort Siloso ako. It's part of Singapore history, war history. And I talked to the staff, sabi nila, during around the early periods ng World War II era, yung kinocolonize nga to ng Japan, and then the British came and then fought back then para sa land, kasi Japan back then was like getting a lot of oil, right? And yun, part of national history, and I'm stepping right into it. Ito yung skywalk. Pretty cool. World War II experience.
Silence! Silence! Now, let's start from the beginning of the song. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
When you're traveling far from home, don't be scared, you're not alone. Find the courage from within you. If you believe, dreams can come true.
But I've slept through thousands and thousands of years then. But I have to go. Go where? Back to the beginning of time, where I belong.